Hey, today we are in Audi S6 C7 and I'm going to show you how to perform the sunroof and sunblind adaptation procedure. If your sunroof is not working correctly, maybe the soft close is not working, maybe the comfort closing from the remote is not working with the sunroof, or maybe the pinch protection is not working. Whatever reason you have to perform the adaptation, there's a simple way to do it, and you don't need a diagnostic computer to perform it. All you need to do is perform certain procedure using the buttons over here. So right now I'm going to show you how to do it, and the important thing is to keep looking at the sunroof and check if everything is going safe, if there's no obstacle in the sunroof, there's no one in the passenger seat putting his or her hand inside, because the pinch protection is not working while the adaptation is performed. So your only job over here while the procedure is taking place is keep everything safe and keep pressing the button that I will show you in a minute, and after the procedure is done, you can just release the button and that's it. Okay, so let me show you how the procedure looks, and keep in mind that this is Audi S6 and the C7 platform, but this should work in any other Audi or any other Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda car, in fact. Okay, so let's do it. And that's pretty much it. You have to do it separately for the sunroof and the sun blind. And once it's done, you can just release the button. Okay, that's it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial. Also check my other tutorials about Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda and other cars. See you soon.